Thank you for coming. Thank you to all the new subscribers and definitely the ones that's been here for a while. And those who just come along for a ride, please remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell to let you know when I'm uploading a new video. Today I have a mini pattern haul. I have something new for you, something old for you, vintage, and something just for enjoyment. Come along for the ride. Thanks. So the first pattern on the list is Simplicity 9937. Like I promised, is a fun pattern of bags and totes. I have never tried my hand at a large tote, but I thought this would be something good to look at. And on the back, this is how it's looking. You have a hat, a tote, zipper cases, and I believe it's 3 of those, a small, medium, and large. And on this side, it shows, and then you have a F, G, H, and another zipper case, a small, medium, and large. So this is how they're looking. These are more like cosmetic bags here. These are very fun looking, a triangle shape. And here's the large tote with the pocket. A nice brown hat for the summer. Simplicity 9937. They have another fun projects, and this is 8109 Simplicity oven mitts and towel aprons. You have 4 sets, B, C, D, and E. This is how it's looking on the back of your envelope. That makes a good gift giving ideal. 8109. Next, here's a fun idea for the summer. Simplicity 1370. It's a 5-piece. This pattern is skirts, shorts, and a skirt. I remember skirts in my day, and it's called Mrs. Short's Skirt and Skirt. Here's the pattern. Drawing lines. The suggested fabrics and notions. And you have views to choose from A through E, which is a skirt. Since Simplicity 1370. Fun for the summer. Next we have the vintage S9848 is a vintage 1960 Simplicity pattern, authentic pattern, and it's labeled easy to sew. You have 3 choices or options or views to sew. Nice summer dress. Let's see. see-through overlays. This one has another type, kind of like a tent dress. Here are your suggested fabrics. It's labeled easy. And you can do some contrasting to view 2 and 3. Line drawings 2 and 3 with the contrasting. Simplicity 98.48. Next and last on the list of this mini haul is Simplicity 9700. Another vintage 1970 jumpsuit. You have 2 views or 2 options. Here is rated average, and it's called a Mrs. Jumpsuit. You know your suggested fabrics here. Notions. And here are your line drawings. And that's Simplicity 9700. Well, I'll be back with some fabric pairing of these patterns, the ones that I'll choose to make and share them with you. Share with me in the comments which pattern you like and what are your views and which pattern would you choose to sew. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.